Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can recover deleted mails from your Outlook. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Outlook application on your device, then get logged into your account. Currently, you can see there is no any conversation or any messages in my inbox section. All the messages has already been deleted from my Outlook. So to recover the deleted emails, you just need to tap on the Outlook profile icon on top left of the corner. Inside your profile, you can see the option of deleted. You need to tap on it. And with that, you will be shown all the messages that has been deleted from my Outlook inbox. Now to recover these messages, you just need to tap and hold the message for a while. Now here you can either select all the messages one by one just tapping on the message, or if you have many deleted messages on your Outlook, then you need to tap on three dotted line on top right side of your screen. There you can see the option of select all, and with that all the deleted messages will be selected. Now to restore these deleted messages, you just need to tap on three dotted vertical line on top right side of your screen. There you can see the option of restore conversation. Tap on it, and with that all the deleted messages will be moved to the inbox section. Now to confirm whether the message has been restored or not, you just need to go to the inbox section of your Outlook, and there you can see all the messages has been restored. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can recover all deleted mails from Outlook. Thank you.